Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today's security tip. A warning if you handle, process, or store credit card information. If you handle, process, or store credit cards in any manner, you are required to comply with the PCI DSS or Payment Card Industry Data Service Standards. This is a set of legal requirements you must abide by in order to maintain a secure environment. If you violate them, you will incur serious fines and fees. Are you subject to them if you take credit card payments over the phone? Absolutely. If you have clients that pay you directly by credit card, you're subject to these laws. However, there are various levels of security standards, but thinking you don't process enough to matter or that no one would want to hack us is dangerous. All it takes is an employee writing down a credit card number in an email or on a piece of paper to violate a law. And then you'll be left with legal fees, fines, and the reputation damage incurred when you have to contact your clients to let them know you weren't storing or handling their credit cards safely. Getting compliant or finding out if you are compliant isn't a simple matter I can outline in a 1, 2, 3 step checklist. It requires an assessment of your specific environment and how you handle the credit card information. A great resource is the PCI Security Standards Council, or www.pcisecuritystandards.org. If you want assistance in figuring out if you're compliant, call us for a free assessment. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering. Stay safe out there.